Hello and welcome. My name is Rex Jones II. Connect with me on LinkedIn and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to automate clicking the right mouse button using Selenium's Actions class. It's the same test script as the previous video, left mouse click. We click the button and get the list of items. However, left click and right click use different methods. Inspect the button, and we see the same span tag, class attributes, and class values as left click. This time, let's use a different value to find the element. How about the class name btn? Copy the URL and go to Eclipse and load the AUT driver.get. Find the button driver.findElement by class name btn and assign the web element to button. Import the web element actions class, act as object reference equal new actions, driver in parentheses, import actions. Next, we right click the button by writing act.contextClick. There are two methods, but we will select WebElement target. The target is button.perform. Next is to find the list of items and print each item. I'm going to copy and paste from the left click class, then change left to right. Let's run. All of the items, edit, cut, copy, paste, delete, and quit, showed up after right-clicking the button. That's it, and thank you for watching how to use Selenium Actions class to right-click a button.
Online courses coming soon. Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.